Resetting your Apple ID password isn't one size fits all. Different scenarios require tailored fixes. In this third video of our series breaking down all Apple account issues, as covered in our full-length version, we'll show you the easiest way to reset your account password when you have access to your iPhone. This is the foundation for the rest of the video. To reset your password, you have to verify your identity within Apple's system. Otherwise, you might still be able to reset your password, but it could take days, sometimes even longer. In some cases, you won't even be able to start the account recovery process. So, one way or another, you will regain access. The real question is, will it be now, or will you have to wait? The key point is to verify identity. What does it mean for Apple? By checking what trusted information is linked to your account. Here's what that includes: a trusted device, a trusted phone number, the passcode for a trusted device, your email address, linked payment method. Each of these helps confirm your identity, and the more you can provide, the faster you'll regain access to your account. First scenario, you have access to your iPhone and you're fully signed in. The easiest way to reset your password is right from your iPhone or any trusted Apple device that's already signed into your account. So that Apple knows that it's yours, this method is the fastest. Just make sure you have a passcode or a password on Mac. Here's what to do. Go to Settings. Tap your name, then Sign In and Security. Choose Change Password. Enter your device passcode. Now, type your new password, confirm it, and tap Continue. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password in just a few taps. Second scenario, you have access to a trusted device, but stolen device protection is enabled. If you have access to a trusted device, you might think resetting your password is simple, but there's one thing that could stop you: stolen device protection. What is stolen device protection? Apple introduced this security feature to prevent thieves from taking over your account, even if they steal your iPhone and know your passcode. When stolen device protection is enabled, Apple may require additional security checks before allowing certain actions, including changing your password. For example, if you try to reset your Apple ID password in an unfamiliar location, Apple may force you to wait an hour before making the change. So, go to Settings. Tap your name, then Sign In and Security. Choose Change Password. At this point, you might see a message saying you need to wait. Sounds okay to wait 1 hour and then reset the password. But here's the tricky part. If you wait longer than an hour and then try again, the system resets the timer, forcing you into a continuous loop of 1-hour delays. To avoid getting stuck in this waiting loop, set a timer for 59 minutes. The moment you receive the alert that your wait time is over, go directly to Settings and change your password immediately. This ensures you reset your password as soon as possible, without restarting the countdown. Looking for more tips like this? Click one of those amazing videos and keep watching.